Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're doing a cash envelope stuffing, and this is from my tax return slash tax refund money, and I'm super excited to film this video for you guys. I did the same thing last year, or like similar context, because I was still doing the system but I wasn't filming. So this time I am, and I'm super excited because this is the most I'll ever stuff in a single video, because I do have a low income, and that means that I don't really stuff a lot of my envelopes, and if I do, it's really small amounts. So today we are stuffing a total of $415 in cash, and I'm super excited. So this is the breakdown, and I'm hoping my camera's on focus so you guys can see what we're gonna do today. So I did get back $4,008, and I'm gonna give $1,000 to my parents, $2,000 to savings, and I have $1,005 towards myself, or my sinking funds. So we're doing $505 for sinking funds, and I left $500 for an iPad that I would really want to get. And this is the breakdown sheet. So yeah, and we can get right into it because this might be a very long video. So I'm gonna put this to the side so I know how much we are going to stuff. So we are stuffing a 505 to our sinking funds. However, since we do have some online sinking funds, we're doing $415 in cash. So we have the money here. So we have 50, 100, 50, 200, 250, 70, 90, 310, 330, 350, 370, 80, 90, 400, 5, 10, $15. So 415. So how are you guys doing? I really wanted to film this video as soon as I can, or as soon as I got the money, because I get paid tomorrow, and you will see the cash stuffing in a couple of days. So I did want to film this before. I'm gonna put this away. Sorry, I did want to film this before my other video, so I don't get confused of the amount and stuff like that. And probably you won't really see the 50 as much, but that is fine. So yeah, that is why I wanted to quickly film this video. And yeah, I am still in lockdown, and I went to the bank and came back. It was a really fast trip. No one was near me, so I am very safe about this lockdown, so don't you guys worry. So let's start off with our online sinking funds. So for our emergency, we're putting $20 into that, so I'm gonna focus. So we have $58.89. Health is getting $50, so it has $82.47. Personal is getting 20, and now it has $69.77. Zero waste is getting 3, so $13.49. And investments, I'm not getting anything this time, because investments usually like for my zero base at the end of the month anyway, so we can set that aside for now. Okay, I need to make a bit of room. So let's start off with the first one here. I'm just gonna put this paper to the side here. So 21st birthday is getting $100 today, which I'm super excited about, because I really wanted to bump this up, but I really can't. So we're gonna grab two 50s. So now in 21st birthday, we have 50, 100, 50, 200, 10, 15, and 20. So 220, which I'm super happy about. So I don't really have to worry about this one so much. Beauty this time, or this, I was gonna say this week, but this stuffing is getting $20. So I'm just gonna grab a 20. So we have 25, 30, and coins. So altogether we have $34.25, including the coins. So next is fitness, and fitness will be getting $20. It currently already has a 20, so now it will just have 40. I am going to take the newer 20s, so $40 into fitness. Next is fun, and fun is getting $20 as well. And take the old 20 for this one. So now we have 20, 35 into fitness, which, I mean not fitness, in fun, which I'm in lockdown, and by the time the lockdown is finished, I'm back in uni. So like this money is just me saving up for hopefully the end of semester break, which I can use this hopefully. So next is gifts. I'm just gonna move the paper. Gifts is going to get $50 this time because I really want to bump up this one, even though I don't have any birthdays in the next month or so, but I have a lot of birthdays towards the end of the year. So we have 50, 60, 75 now into gifts. And yeah, I have a lot of birthdays in November, December, so that is why I put $50 in there. Giving is just going to get 10. So now we have 15 into giving. And that is all for this binder. So now that is stuff, I'm just gonna put that to the side. And we can move on to the, this is more of my savings, like all my savings and that kind of stuff. And my like longer term sinking funds. That is what I was trying to say. Sorry for that. So let's dive right in. So business is getting $15. So I'm just gonna take a 10 and a 5. So now business has 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55 into business, and this is for when I do future giveaways for you guys. That will be the money I'll be taking out of. Car is going to get $10. So with the small amounts, these are the ones that I am not really focused on, and that's why it's getting around $10 to $15, but I still wanted to stuff it. So now we have 50, 100, 150, 70, 80 into car, which is still pretty good. Next is Christmas, and Christmas is going to get $50. And the reason why, again, I wanted to really bump this up, but with my paycheck, it's really hard to stuff high amounts in the ones I want to prioritize. So in this tax refund, I really wanted to give like bigger amounts for the ones I really want to bump up. So Christmas now has 50, 100, 10, and 15. 115 in here. Next is house, and house is just going to get 20. So now we have 50, 75 into house. Next is school loans, and school loans is getting 50 as well. Again, I really want to bump this up because I just want to, since this is the only debt I know that I have, I just want to pay it off. So we have 100, 200, 50, 300, 350, 70, 90, $390. And we are almost at 400, which I'm really excited about. Shopping is going to get $20. And I'm just going to grab $20 bill. So now we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, $90 into shopping. And again, since I did borrow money for my buffer for this, once this hits 100, I'm going to put $60 away into my buffer account because we did use this, but we didn't take the money from it. So next is travel, and travel is going to get $30, and that should be the remaining money, which means I did this correct. Yay! So travel has 100, 200, 250, 70, 90, 300, 5, 10, 15. 315, guys. We hit $300, which is really exciting. And that is all for my video for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for the cash stuffing of July. I think it's paycheck 3 in a couple of days. Bye!